This problem 8-2, all of them. They did number 1 for you. Follow the examples that's there. Okay, and asks you identify the transformation first. So what type of transformation? They say here reflects over the x-axis, creating x, y, z. Okay, list the corresponding sides and angle. There's the congruency of corresponding sides and angles of the congruent triangle using congruent symbols. Look at the congruent symbols. And then write a congruent statement. Here's a congruent statement. Okay. Alrighty. Here we go. First, it is, let's see if it's a rotation. It's not a reflection, so y should be, that's 2, 3, so 180 degrees should be 2, 3. No, it's not. So it's translation. Because 2, 3 would be right here, and it's not in this. No, it's a translation. Okay, so let's see. X. X translate to D. Corresponding angles is D. So let's see how they get X to D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. So we were like this triangle X, Z, Y. How did they put it? Yeah. Translate 5 left, and 11 up to create 5. Oh, sorry, 5 right. 5 right and 11 down. Because this triangle is the pre-image, I'm saying. It's going to make this. So that's going 5 to the right and 11 down that way. Okay? To get to that point. To create triangle D, D goes with X. Z, Z goes with E, E, and Y. So F. There. Okay? So keep it in order. Make sure you're writing the correct corresponding letters to match it. Alrighty. And then we can say that we're going to write congruent statements on sides. Let's do side first. We know that X, Y is congruent to X, Y is this right here. Corresponding side is right here, D, F. X corresponds to letter D. So D and then F. F. Okay? And then I'll erase this so you can see what I'm talking about. And then X, Z, X to Z corresponds to D to E, corresponds, is congruent to D to E. Okay, and then our last side, we got 2 sides done. Okay, our last congruent side is this one, Z to Y. Z to Y is congruent to Z corresponds to E, so we need to write E first, E to F. Now that's the side. We can do angles now. Did they do angles here? Yeah, see right here is their angle down here. I like to write it side by side. Okay, that's my side. Here's my angle. Measurement of angle. They didn't put measure of angle, huh? They just put angle. Measurement of angle X is congruent to measurement of angle X corresponds to D. D. Measurement of angle Z. Z corresponds to E. I'll use this. Z is congruent to measurement of angle E. Go away. Measurement of angle, our last one, Y, is congruent to measurement of angle F. Alrighty? Alright. This one here. It's my reminder. Okay. Not a reflection for sure. So is this a rotation of 180? Well, this is 3, 2. This should be 3, 2 also. Very good. This is 7, 2. This should be 7, 2 also. Yep, but all negatives. Yep. So it's a rotation of 180 degrees. It's a rotation of 180 degrees. Clockwise or counterclockwise. We'll use clockwise, it's shorter. Okay. Oh, we need which triangle is the original triangle? Let's use this one. Triangle PTM goes here. Rotation of 100 to create triangle P, same as Y. T is the same as Z. Z. M is X. X. Need to be in the same. It needs to correspond. Okay? So, let's take the side first. Side. PT. PT is the same as YZ. PT, line segment PT, is congruent to YZ. Okay, and then I say MP corresponds to YX. Line segment MP congruent to XY. Line segment XY. I use P first, I need to use X first. And then the last one is this one that's left, right here, right there. MT, line segment MT, is congruent to X, M and X, correlate Z, line segment. Okay, let's do angle. Since the book has shortened it to this, we'll just shorten it too, okay? Get the measurement of. All right. Anyways, angle, I like to write the measurement of. Angle P corresponds to angle, is congruent to angle Y. Okay, we're good with one angle. Angle X is congruent to angle M. And angle Z is congruent to angle T. Alrighty, here. Triangle BDN. Oh, we didn't write congruent statement on each of these. So sorry, because it says write the congruent statement. See, that's your congruent statement. Okay, because all these things, we know that triangle XZY is congruent to triangle DEF. Just use these one here. Same thing here. Because of all these things, we know that triangle PTM is congruent to triangle YZX. Okay, I'm just going to do one more because all these are basically all the same thing. Okay. This looks like a reflection, yep, over the y-axis. BM, reflect over the y-axis to create triangle. Okay, B is X, D is Z, and N is Y. And then you do your 2 column. First your side, erase. Okay, side. These are corresponding sides right there. Line segment BD is congruent to line segment XZ. Okay. Line segment DN is congruent to line segment ZY. And then the last one, line segment BD congruent to XY. BN, I mean, is congruent to line segment XY. Angle. Angle B is congruent to its corresponding side, ZX, angle X. Done with that angle. Angle D corresponds to angle Z. It's congruent to angle Z. N corresponds to Y. Angle N congruent to angle Y. And we can say that triangle BDN is congruent to, that's a statement here, triangle XYZ statement. Alrighty. I think you guys can do the rest. This is reflecting over the X. Number 5, number 6 looks like, try it and see. I'm not going to tell you, you should know. I can tell already what it is. Try it and figure out either it's a rotation of 90 degrees or a translation. Same thing here. Translation or rotation. Reflection. Looks like a rotation to me, but you can check to make sure. That's all your homework tonight. Tomorrow is this here. This page only for tomorrow. Same thing again, okay? That's it.